We are currently at a place in our evolution, in our path across the universe, where we can actually see the evidence of where God came from, how he's pushing his consciousness throughout the universe, and how this process makes up every thought, every event of every day in our lives. We no longer need the old religion based on campfire stories, nor can we afford the old religion based on campfire stories. Now we need something else. Now we need something that's proven, that has been shown to be true, replicated by millions of scientists throughout the years, throughout the centuries, instead of the repeated gobbledygook of campfire stories. Uber religion is based on such scientific evidence, and we intend to show you here exactly how everything works in your life, from the subatomic level all the way up to every molecule, every atom, every electron that you are composed of. Whenever two electrons are paired within an atom, they can become entangled, which means that they are paired just like soulmates in our own universe, because one electron will spin up and the other one will spin down to occupy the same space within an atom. And even though you separate these two paired electrons over thousands of miles across the other side of the planet, one electron will still know about the other and change its spin whenever you change the spin of its partner. This is called entanglements, and it is direct evidence of the electronic state of consciousness. This means all subatomic particles have the property of consciousness, and they pass it up to us by inducing the next three states of consciousness: the rotational, the vibrational, and then us, the fourth and highest state of consciousness, the feedback loop. This is a view of the Large Hadron Collider from the air, the largest and most expensive scientific apparatus in the history of human civilization. And through this amazing machine, we found out that there's something known as the God particle. By smashing the tiniest particles, photons, electrons, neutrons, etc., together in this massive particle accelerator, we discovered the God particle, the thing that makes everything else exist in the universe. And it starts here at this smallest level that came out of the Big Bang, works its way through the consciousness of the electrons, and then the molecules that the atoms, and then the molecules that the electrons form. And this creates us the highest state of consciousness, the feedback loop. For our civilization to make any progress at all and avoid total extinction of our species and maybe even all life on this planet vanishing or being altered forever, we now need a new religion based on this scientific evidence that the universe was created for us by God, and it was created for us to know that it was created by God, because he left his footprints everywhere. We now have the ability to give back, to appreciate what God has done